Now, the next part we are having beta determination of density of a regular solid and irregular solid. Now, first, if we are talking about the regular one, it means it's having a defined dimensions, okay, a clear cut dimensions. So, we directly use the formulas for this. For example, you are having one cube of iron and you are going to find out its density. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ टू फाइंड आउट इट्स मास बिकॉज व्हाट इज डेंसिटी. डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू m upon v. Now to find out its mass, what we will use? We will use a beam balance, a laboratory object to find out the weights of the body. Find the beam balance, we find out its mass. Now if you are having a cube, the formula of cube is side into side into side. Cuboid, the volume is L into B into H. For sphere, we are having 4 by 3 pi r cube. And for volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. These are the standard formulas which we are using. Standard formulas. So that's what we will do. We are going to find out the volumes for this. Mass you will find out by using B balance. So what will be the density? That is m upon v. Okay. Now we are having some next part you are having now. We are having some vessels for measuring volume. In your book that vessels are given. Fine. Some one is like this, a straight one, a conical one. Then the beakers are given of definite volume. कि अगर वो पूरा बीकर भरेंगे तो उसमें कितना आएगा, 50 ml ही आएगा या 100 ml ही आएगा. So just read about these vessels from your book. And this is one which is what? Eureka can. This sometimes we use in laboratory for the experiments. इसको basically volume find out करने के लिए किया जाता है. Suppose I filled it with this much volume. Okay. Now I add some object in it. What happen when you add the object in it? The space occupied by the object, that liquid will come outside and get collected in the another part. This opening is known as what? Spout. This opening is known as what? Spout. Okay. We can use these kind of objects. The next two activities are based on this for determination of irregular solid. First one we are going to do with the measuring cylinder, and the second one we are going to do that with the Eureka can. So now what we are having? Determination of density of irregular solid. कुछ नहीं करना बेटा. What we have taken in your book, it's already given. We are having one measuring cylinder with us, and the measuring cylinder volume there is what? 70 ml. ठीक है. Can I take, let this is be its volume V1, that is 70 ml. Ab now what I have done, in this cylinder I am putting a stone. Okay. Now when you put something in water, the water level rises up. The water level rises up. Okay. It rises up till 80 ml. ये क्या होगी मेरी V2? Now what is the volume of this stone? What is the volume of this stone? हाँ जी, पहले 70 ml थी, स्टोन डाला 80 ml हो गई. तो इसमें when we subtract these two volumes, we get the volume of stone. Let that V is equal to V2 minus V1. And now volume you are having. Can you find out the mass of the stone? Yes. How you will have to find out its mass? By using beam balance or by using spring balance. That depends. ठीक हो गया जी. So here mass now you are having, volume now you are having. Can you find out density? That is mass upon volume. For irregular solid we are having the object 70 ml, स्टोन डाला 80 ml हो गई. स्टोन की कितनी होएगी? ठीक हो गया ना. यू हैव बॉट 5 chocolates, दैट्स ऑफ ₹25. You bought, okay, then you increase the number of the chocolates. when you brought that chocolates, if you just have to find out the change in money you are having, you subtract that too. ओके 70 पे थी, स्टोन डाला 80 हो गई, तो स्टोन ने कितनी स्पेस ली? That is V2 minus V1 because we haven't added anything else. You may have a doubt that thread is also there, but bacha, the volume of the thread here is what the mass is what negligible. The mass is also negligible, so we are not considering the value of this thread. Okay, further calculations are given, you can see it once. Now the next you are having Eureka can. With Eureka can it's little bit simpler. Why with Eureka can it's little bit simpler? Because now you are not going to measuring anything, you are going to collecting that object. Fine. क्या दिया हुआ है अब यूरेका कैन के केस में? We are having one यूरेका कैन, यहाँ तक भरा हुआ है मेरे पास. ओके, here I am having one cylinder also, beaker, measuring beaker or measuring cylinder, that's on you. Now when I add stone in it, when I add stone in it, यहाँ तक भरा हुआ था, भर जाएगा, ऊपर आना शुरू हो गया पानी. when the water start coming up, यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा, वाटर इसमें कलेक्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. ये हमारा मेजरिंग सिलेंडर या बीकर है. दिस विल टेल अस हाउ मच वॉल्यूम इज़ गोइंग टू बी कलेक्टेड. इट विल टेल अस हाउ मच वॉल्यूम इज़ गोइंग टू बी कलेक्टेड हेयर. जितनी वॉल्यूम इसमें कलेक्ट होगी उतना ही क्या होगा इसका वॉल्यूम, क्योंकि इसने उतनी ही स्पेस, उतनी ही वॉल्यूम इस कैन में क्या है ली. अब जो यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम कलेक्ट होनी है, दैट इज़ व्हाट योर वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्टोन. बीम बैलेंस, स्प्रिंग बैलेंस से वी आर ऑलरेडी नो द मास, सो द डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. द डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. क्लियर हो गया? Now the next you are having determination of density of a liquid. How to find out the density of liquid? There are few steps to find out the density of liquid. फाइन. अब इसमें क्या होगा, फर्स्ट स्टेप, जो भी आपका एम्प्टी बीकर या एम्प्टी मेजरिंग सिलेंडर है, ठीक है, वॉट एवर यू आर टेकिंग अ बीकर, ओके, empty beaker suppose I am taking. First of all I will find out its mass, let it be m1. अब मैंने empty beaker में क्या किया, I add the liquid or you can say milk. So this mass will become m2. So now what will be the mass of the liquid? Empty beaker plus liquid minus empty beaker. So mass of liquid is how much? That is m2 minus m1. ठीक हो गया? अब वॉल्यूम कितना होगा, एक मेजरिंग सिलेंडर में मैंने फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम डाल दिया. मेजरिंग सिलेंडर कैसा होता है, सारे मार्क्स लगे होते हैं. मैंने सपोज 50 ml फिक्स डाल दिया उसमें. So this 50 ml is equal to what, 50 centimeter cube, because we know that 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. अब वॉल्यूम आ गया आपके पास, फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम जितना आपने उस सिलेंडर में डाला, मास आपने निकाल लिया. सो नाउ व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू इन दिस केस, हेयर अगेन योर डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू m2 minus m1 upon v, that is m upon v. Okay, so just read this there. I will post one video on density bottle to you people, so have clarity about this object. Tomorrow I will post the further content better, because we have to wind up our syllabus soon. So till this, read and then tell me your doubts. Have a good day. Take care better.